Oh my god, what are we doing? I'm back.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with my beloved boyfriend,
NiKO Valdes. I'm a boxer.
Today we're gonna be doing a first impressions video, but today's also Sunday, so on Sundays NiKO and I like to just take time to spend quality time. So today I dragged him on to come here and do first impressions on this Dr. Brandt magnetic mask. And I was telling NiKO it's a pretty cray mask.
Cray a lot of times.
It's supposed to be a magnetic, magnetite Age-Defier mask. So we're gonna give it a try and see how it works.
I'm excited, babe. I'm just here because you said it's cray.
Apparently, you're supposed to use this tiny little spatula here to put it on your face. So I'm gonna start with you.
What is that?
All right, so it looks something like this. It smells really good. It smells kind of menthy. And we're gonna take the little spatula that it comes with and we're going to start spreading this evenly, it says.
Oh, it's smooth.
It is?
Yeah. Are you gonna make this part go fast forward? Fast forward!
Do you wanna help me put mine on?
Obs. I gotta start talking like I'm in a makeup video. Obs. Oh, babe, this is not the most handy little tool they give you here.
Well, your hands are like super big. You're not supposed to do like a thick layer.
Oh, well, should have informed me on that before.
You're supposed to do like a really thin layer of it. That's not really.
Oh, babe, I'm trying to spread it.
No, this is like a lot. This does not feel right. This is no longer feels
good, right?
Yeah, it feels really good. You're supposed to put like a thin layer. This is $100.
What?
Yes!
No, it's not thick.
Can I see a mirror?
Your nose is thick.
Yeah, it feels really soft, surprisingly though. It feels like rough. Like it felt like I thought it was gonna be rough. Yay!
I don't know how to do it. I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Clearly.
I thought it was gonna be a mask that you put on, babe. Can't believe you trusted me. This thing's really dummy proof, isn't it? It's my whole life it's been lefty loosey tighty already. Talk to your people, babe.
How does it feel?
It feels like I got really not sweat but really oily face. And I need to use one of those pads to wipe it off. I think you get babe. Let's close this.
Aww.
Time out. Crystal applied it very beautifully to my face. I tried to do it to hers, but she fixed it, so we're all good.
So the mask feels pretty oily. I don't know why, but it does feel like it smells good. So
it smells super good. It just feels really weird.
It almost feels like everything's being pulled out of our skins in a very
sitting there
gentle way, but now it's like kind of gross.
I don't like this one.
No. You like the sheet masks better?
Yeah, the sheet mask.
The sheet masks.
It's our anniversary, by the way. 6 months, babe! We made it! Okay, continue.
Anyways, it is our 6-month anniversary. Every Sunday, what we try to do is literally just tune out from everything and spend quality time together doing things that are good for both of us and things to kind of like distress. NiKO's a professional boxer. A lot of the times he spends all his time training and hitting people.
It's really fun. You should try it.
No, you should not try it. I do not promote violence in my channel. Sundays.
My favorite part about Sundays is we completely turn off our social media and turn off our phones. I mean, we're recording this right now, but this is technically not on the internet yet. We're using a camera. So we turn off from the internet basically and just enjoy each other, and you'll never learn someone as much as when you completely get away from the world and you just are together as one.
It's actually really funny because we met through social media. What are you doing?
My back hurts. Honestly, I think one of the best parts about not having a phone is you get to enjoy life way more. When we're driving around, we're not on the phone. We're not distracted. We're looking outside. We're like, oh babe, look at that. Oh babe, look at that. You get to experience so much more when you're not using your phone.
We make it a point that every Sunday we wake up, we go to mass, we have breakfast after mass, and then we just spend the day exploring around. We just moved to California, so we have a lot to see. But even if you have been living in the same place, try tuning out on any day that it's feasible for you and your partner.
You'll be amazed at what you'll see. You'll see things that you pass by every day that you've never seen
Never
before.
even noticed.
So you're like, dang, that's crazy.
Pretty much.
That's great, like this mask. Let's get back to the mask, because I think it's at 5 minutes.
I watched a few YouTube videos or reviews on the mask, and a lot of people were saying that it's better when you have some sort of sheet around the magnet. So we're gonna give that a try and see how that works. I'm so nervous. Ready?
Come on.
You saw that?
No, how am I supposed to see it, babe?
What? It just pulled it away. You don't hear that?
I hear it. That's pretty weird. It tingles your face.
Okay.
I like this one.
Relax.
It's better. Now it's better than the sheet mask.
What?
That's super cool.
You see that?
But not there now. Oh, my skin is very soft.
It is?
Very impressive. Very impressive, this one.
Really? Okay. So we're gonna try to do like a big swoop, okay? I see why they said to use a tissue.
It feels so cool. I feel it sucking off my face. That's so interesting. I like this.
It's like a no mess, and it looked like it was gonna be one of the messiest masks ever.
So worth $100. You're right, babe. This is cray. Oh, I feel it like sucking off. It feels like it's vacuuming your face, literally. It feels really good, like vibrate your face.
No way.
Do it again. I highly recommend this thing. It is like the coolest feeling in the world. And my face is super soft. Oh my, this is so cool. Is my face clean?
Yeah.
Wow, I like this. I like it a lot. I'm gonna buy a new one. Highly approved to all the ladies. Team CRISTALALLURE.
Gens.
CA. Team CRISTALALLURE. Super excited to do it to you, right? I'm super excited.
I know. Wait, you should probably grab a tissue because you're...
I'm super excited. Super excited about this one.
Yeah.
I wanna do it. Baby, you do you. And NiKO Valdes will do NiKO Valdes. Alright guys, check this out. It's so cool. I wanna see. It's so
What the heck? Okay.
I wanna write my name on your forehead. Oh wow, that is so cool. You have an N on your forehead for no negativity.
It's so cool.
You can't even explain it. You just gotta go buy it. Oh, it just came off your hair. How cool.
It was in my hair?
Yeah.
That's so crazy. I hear it.
Yeah.
It goes quick. Try pulling the magnet, it like grabs it.
Oh, that's so weird.
That's why I was telling you to make it like as thick as possible.
Yeah. But you know what I do? I never listen to Babe. I just figure it all out myself.
I guess the only downside, if anything, is that if you don't use the tissue, it can get like a little messy, but the cool part about it is that you have the magnet that literally just pulls it out.
Yeah.
With the magnet, so.
Highly recommended the tissue because without that, it would be horrible.
It's just been like, it'll take a little longer.
It would be a lot messier. The whole thing is no mess involved.
Do it slow so you can see how it pulls.
I like this one, babe. I like it.
Yeah? Oh,
It's so cute.
we got some here. It's so weird because if you try to take it off without the thing, it just smears. You put a lot on my face, huh?
Yeah. A very mistake,
It was a very expensive mistake. Did you hear that?
Yeah. It makes your face so creamy. It's like an eraser. It just like leaves it so clean. It's so insane. I gotta get a new napkin.
It's like super gentle.
It's fun. It's therapeutic. I understand why you say makeup is therapeutic now, babe. This kind is therapeutic. You just clean your own hands too with it. I think I put too much napkin on this one.
Yeah. Yeah, you put too much napkin. Stop ruining the mask. I feel it. You're just smearing it.
Wait, I'm gonna just take the rest off with no napkin.
Okay.
So you can feel with no napkin. Because it feels different.
With no napkin?
It's stronger.
No way.
It's a stronger pull.
Well, yeah, it's a stronger pull.
It's super cool.
Whoa!
Feel it, right?
Yeah, it tingles. I'm the most tingly person ever.
I'm like not even touching your skin. It comes off.
Whoa!
Right? thumbs up with this mask. I got a thumbs up and a thumbs down. Thumbs up because it's super cool and I've never experienced anything like this. Like I can literally put it next to my face and it just sucks it off your face and it feels super good. Thumbs down because it's $100 and it's not that much and you can only use it like twice.
It's not that. That one's not. That one I think it's like 24, but like the actual one's like $100.
Oh, I didn't know. So yeah, double thumbs up then.
Super cool. Yeah.
What'd you like? Thumbs up, thumbs down? Like?
It's super smooth, and the only downside about the mascara, the only downside to the mask is the fact that it can get a little messy. So if you don't mind extra messiness, but to have super soft and glowing skin, I definitely recommend it. So plus it's something fun to do with even with a friend or with your partner. So give it a try.
Definitely with your partner. Ew, look. I can squeeze it here and that's all your like skin juice. That's nasty. It really cleans your face though.
So if you haven't tried kind of shutting out and tuning out from social media, or I know you're on social media if you found this video or if you're here, obviously. But from time to time you should give it a try and see how that works for you and let us know. Tag us, let us know how you're doing self-care Sundays, and let us know if you have any ideas of what more we can do.
If you have any other cool things like this, let me know, and give this video a thumbs up if you like social media, and a thumbs down. Actually, just give it a thumbs up.
And then we'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Share this with someone you think who needs to do some self-care Sundays, and let us know what you think, and we'll see you guys next time.
Have a glamborious day. Glam.